What's up, pranksters? Welcome back and happy Valentine's Day. I know, guys, I probably should have posted this video way earlier. I couldn't, unfortunately, but here it is. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a prank for Valentine's Day. And in this particular video, we're gonna be setting up a booby trap using this teddy bear right here. So if you're ready for that, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Check it out. Alright guys, well, we're gonna begin, but before we get started, I want to let you guys know that this bear will not suffer, or I hope it doesn't suffer, because we're gonna be dissecting him with a blade. I think it's a him, it could be a girl, I don't know. Anyway guys, we're gonna need a blade for this because we're gonna cut him open, take out a few of his guts to make room for what we're gonna put inside. So let's get started. So yeah guys, please don't hate me for what I'm about to do to this bear. Okay, so I got my blade right here and I'm gonna cut on the stitching because that'll be the least noticeable area that your victim won't notice there's a cut there. So I'm gonna take the blade and I'm gonna follow along the stitching right here. So gently, I'm gonna begin to cut him open. Wow, that was easy. There you go. Now that we have this opening, we gotta make it a bit bigger. I guess it's going from his arm to his leg. That'll be perfect. All right, and now we have access to its guts. And as you guys can see, it's a lot of guts. Well, it's just cotton, but we're gonna take out a lot of this cotton because we won't need it. We need to make room. And the reason why I'm taking out the cotton or the guts is because I'm gonna put this bowl inside and it's gonna be filled with water. So I gotta get enough of this cotton out to be able to stick that bowl full of water inside. I'm gonna make sure that the bowl will fit before I fill it up with water. And it's gonna be very snug, but I'm pretty sure we can get it in there. Yep. Oh, perfect. So now let's get to it. Let's fill this bear up with some water. You know what? I was gonna use apple juice because it's got that yellowish color, sort of like urine, but I think water will do. This bear drank a lot of water, so when they pick him up, he's gonna pretty much urinate all over your victim. We'll see. But now that the bear is filled up with water, at this point, we can either stitch it up, staple it up, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using some safety pins to close up this little opening, and that'll work just fine. So basically, we're just gonna join both ends together so that it hides the bowl. So we sealed up the opening, but also we're gonna put the arm over it and then secure it on with a safety pin. That way we know for sure that your victim won't notice anything. All right, now the arm isn't going anywhere, guys. Seems like the bear is laid out on an operating table, but this is where we're gonna leave him at. So next, guys, we're gonna pretty much position the bear, like we're gonna have to lay him flat like this. And also I'm gonna leave some chocolate boxes next to him with a card, and now the card is just gonna be there. Now at this point, what you guys can do is leave a note that specifies who this bear is for. So if it's for your girlfriend, that'll have your girlfriend's name on it. But remember that the note should say to lift up the bear for a special surprise. All right, so they gotta pick up the bear like a little baby and we'll see what happens, right? So if you wanna get creative, you can tell your victim to pick up the bear high up in the air and for the bear to look down on them. That's the prank pretty much. The bear is gonna pee on them, or at least it will seem like it's gonna pee on them. It's gonna be a messy, wet prank. So remember, if you try this prank at your own risk, pranksters. All right, let me show you guys a demo now. All right, well, I'm gonna do the demo for you guys, but for the record, I'm not looking forward to doing this demo because I know I'm gonna get wet. So here goes, pranksters. Your victim's gonna come over, look at all the awesome stuff you bought her or him. They're gonna read the note that says to pick up the bear like this. And when they do that, this is what's gonna happen. The bear couldn't wait to get to the restroom. Oh no. Oh, pranksters, I'm super wet. Look at that. For getting me wet, I'm gonna give you a choke slam. So for those of you that wanted to see the damage, which is not a lot of damage, there's just a big spill. So they'll have to clean that up. If you want to be mean on Valentine's Day, then you definitely want to try out this prank. But hopefully you love your significant other too much that you won't try it out. This is more of a prank for breaking up, it would seem. Or at least they're going to break up with you if you pull this prank on them. Look at this bear. Pretty cute still, right? So yeah, guys, it's pretty mean. Be warned that that person might break up with you if you do pull this prank on them. But maybe you want to break up. Maybe you don't want to spend money on them for Valentine's Day. So yeah, guys, this video is meant for entertainment purposes. Obviously, I don't want you guys breaking up with your boyfriends or girlfriends. This is just for fun. So of course, you know, I just wanted to show you guys this messy prank that I did. So if you enjoyed watching this video, but you're not gonna do it, give this video a thumbs up. I very much appreciate it. And I hope you continue supporting my projects. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.
Any liquid of your choice.
When your victim opens the door, this is what's gonna happen. Like I said, this is gonna be really high out of your victim's reach, so therefore they won't be able to put a stop to this, and the Febreze will keep on spraying, facing it. So once the door is opened, the forge will actually slide the balloon over this way where the push pins are. And who's gonna win, the balloon or the push pins? Of course, the push pins are gonna kick the balloon's butt. And then right here, I got some water, which I'm gonna pour inside the trash bin. And this is what's gonna happen. Oh.